In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how we manage our replies when we send cold emails for our SaaS Give Me Leads in a very saturated market. To be transparent with you, it took me 3 days to create this video, but I did that because I want to share with you everything I know on how to generate more leads just by managing your replies properly. So I will show you our process, the mistakes we made, and basically how to generate more leads, and all of that just by managing your replies properly. So let's start. All right, so you see here that we have a lot to cover to generate more leads, but the first thing I want to show you is how important it is to manage properly your replies. So when you create an outbound machine, so basically you want to spread your offer at scale, and most of the time you do that either by sending cold emails or LinkedIn messages. The first thing you need to do is to be able to send cold emails. So for that, you need to set up your email infrastructure. So you need to buy domains, you need to buy mailboxes, and so on. And by the way, if you don't want to pay more than $8 a month for just one Google Mailbox, you can try EasyMailbox, and with this tool, basically, you can build your cold email infrastructure in just one click. So we manage everything like your domains, your mailboxes, TNS, and so on. And this time, you just need to pay less than $4 a month per Google Mailbox. So if you want Google Mailboxes for less than $4 a month and you don't want to waste your time on all the technical setup, you have a link in the description. Once you have your email infrastructure, what you need to do is to find some leads with verified emails, and then you can create your outreach campaigns. So with this first part, you will be able to send cold emails, and then what you need to do is to manage properly your replies, and then at the end, you will be able to have some sales calls, and here the goal, of course, is to close the deal. So from what I see with the clients we have, they spend a lot of time and energy on this part because, let's be honest, it's not easy. And then they expect to have only replies like this. So let's have a call. I'm very interested, and so on. But 90% of people who are interested will ask you some questions. For example, these are some questions that we receive for Give Me Leads. So do I need LinkedIn Sales Navigator, or you provide an account? And you will get a lot this kind of message. Okay, but what's the price? So you see, if you don't manage properly these kind of replies, you lose people who are interested, and at the end, you just lose business. Now, to show you how important it is to manage properly your replies, I want to show you real numbers. So here you see that we have the 3 steps. So we send cold emails, we manage replies, and we have sales call here. Let's say, for example, that you are like us, you send 1,000 cold emails per day. Then you have 1% of these people who are interested. So you have 10 leads interested. But then let's say that you are not very good at managing replies. So then you have only 10% of these people who book a meeting. So at the end, if you don't manage properly your replies, you will get 1 meeting for 1,000 cold emails sent. Now, let's check the results you can have when you manage properly your replies. So let's say it's the same. You send 1,000 cold emails per day, for example. Then you still have 1% of these people who are interested. So you have 10 leads interested. But this time, because you manage your replies properly, and I will show you in a few minutes how to do that and how we did that for Give Me Leads, at the end, you have 3 meetings. So just by managing properly your replies, you can get a number like this one, 30%. And at the end, you see that from 1,000 cold emails sent, at the end, we have 3 meetings. So what's very interesting here is that you don't need to send more cold emails. You don't need to change your copywriting or your sales script here to improve your results, because all you need to do is to manage properly your replies, and you will see in a few minutes that it's probably the easiest way to book more calls. All right, so now the next thing I want to show you is how you can book more meetings by managing replies properly. And basically, you have 2 rules to respect. So the first one is, of course, to reply as fast as possible. So when you have someone who is interested, it's very important to reply as fast as possible. So if you're wondering what is fast, so if you take just a few minutes to reply, it's perfect. Now, if you wait a few hours, it's still okay. But if you wait some days, like 1, 2, or 3 days, the lead is not interested anymore. So that's why I recommend you to reply as fast as possible. And by fast, I mean at least like a few hours. So how do you reply as fast as possible? So I have 3 tips for you. So what you can do is to have a Slack notification when the lead is interested. Then you can download the app on your phone. For example, for like almost a year, I had instantly on my phone. So when a lead is interested and I'm not behind my computer, I had my phone to reply. And finally, if you don't have the time to manage properly your replies, and that's what we do right now, you can hire a VA that will take care of all your replies. So if you don't have the budget to delegate this, I recommend you to have a Slack notification and to have the app on your phone. And if you have some budget, I strongly recommend you to hire a VA. And by doing that, you will generate way more leads and you will save a lot of time. Then the rule number 2 is to follow up the leads who are interested. So for that, what you can do, and I strongly recommend to do that, is to call all the people who are interested. And then you can send a message on LinkedIn. So basically you send a connection request and then you send a LinkedIn message. But if you have just one thing to do, I strongly recommend you to call your leads. So it's not a cold call, it's a warm call. And here you can book way more meetings with people who are interested. So here, if you have just 2 tips to remember to get more meetings when you manage your replies, it's very important to reply as fast as possible. And then I strongly recommend you to call all the people who are interested. The next thing I want to show you is what to reply to the leads who are interested. So when you send cold emails or LinkedIn messages, you will basically have 3 types of replies. So you will have people who are not interested. So these people, you don't care. And quick tip for all the people who are saying unsubscribe or spam and so on, you can add these people into a block list. And by doing that, you protect your deliverability. Then you have people with a bad timing. For example, they are in holiday. And what you can do with this kind of reply is to add these people into a subsequence. So you create a subsequence that will follow up these people. And finally, you will get people who are interested and you want to focus on these people. Now, let's answer the question, what to reply? So basically, you have 2 types of people who are interested. So you have what I call hot lead. So basically, these people will send you something like, let's have a call, I'm very interested, and so on. So from what I see, you get between 10 to 20% of the people who are interested who are hot lead. And you have what I call just lead. And these people will just ask you some questions because they are interested, but they have some questions. For example, as I told you before, for Give Me Leads, we have questions like, do I need a LinkedIn Sales Navigator account or you provide an account? What's the price? And so on. So most of the leads who are interested will be here. And that's why it's very important to reply to these people properly. So what to do with these people? So I recommend you, of course, to answer the question. And then what you want to do is to ask for a call to get more info. For example, here, it's a reply that we have when people say, what's the price? So here we answer the question. So our pricing is based on the number of credits you need. And then I say that if they want more details, they need to book a call with me. So if we jump on a quick call and you walk me through your use case, I can give you the exact price. And finally, I offer 2 time slots. And here, very important, it's not my time zone, but the time zone of the lead. So this is how we manage most of our leads. But now if we have someone who is very interested, so what we call hot lead, for example, let's have a call. What we do is to offer 2 time slots in their time zone, and then we share a Calendly. For example, here we have someone who replied, let's have a call. And here what I do is to offer 2 time slots. And then here I share a Calendly. Finally, once you've sent your cold email, I recommend you to follow up. So here, as I told you, you can call or send a LinkedIn message, but as you can expect, making a call is always the best. So you see, with this simple system, we can manage leads who are very interested, and we can manage leads who are interested, but they still have questions. Now, if you want to see in details how we generate leads for Give Me Leads and for clients running agencies in saturated markets, I created a full guide that helps you generate more leads step by step, especially if you're like me in a saturated market. So if you want to check this guide, you can click the first link in the description. Finally, I want to share with you some long-term strategies that will help you to generate more leads, especially if you are in a saturated market. So the first thing, of course, I recommend you to do is to promote something people want. So here are 2 emails that I received yesterday. So yeah, I don't know what to say, but I will never reply to these people. And what I recommend to do is to have a front-end offer. So basically, you have something people want. So this is the type of cold email that we have been sending for almost 2 years now. And this is what we call a front-end offer, because here we try to offer something people want. And here we offer free credits. So it's very easy to say, yes, I'm interested. And then people want to try Give Me Leads, and some of them become a client. So for this video, I won't dive into the front-end offer, but yeah, just making something people want gives you more replies. And finally, the last thing I recommend to do, especially if you are in a saturated market, is to build trust. And the best way to build trust is to create content. So you can do that on LinkedIn or on YouTube. For example, this is a reply that we get last week. So I checked out your YouTube content, and it really helped me build better lead lists with Sales Navigator. I'm going to sign up for the premium plan tomorrow. So here you see that because we do content, we convert clients. So what type of content I recommend to create? So you don't want to be an influencer on LinkedIn. You don't want to post what you do in your life. So what you want to share and what works best is to share case studies, tutorials, and testimonials. For example, for Give Me Leads, we create niche content on YouTube. And basically what we do is to create tutorials on how to use LinkedIn Sales Navigator, how to find emails, how to verify emails, and so on. You see that we don't have much views. For example, here 1,000, 1,800, and so on. But here, by creating content, we generate trust and we have very qualified leads. So what's interesting with this system that we call an outbound system is that we send cold emails and LinkedIn messages. Then people check Vincent from Give Me Leads, of course, if they are interested. So they go on Google, they type Give Me Leads, they find the YouTube channel, they watch 1, 2, or 3 videos, they sign up, and some of them become a client. So this is exactly how we manage our replies for Give Me Leads. Now, as I told you, if you want to see in details how we generate leads for Give Me Leads and for some clients who are in a saturated market, I've made a complete guide on that. So if you are interested, you just need to click the first link in the description. It was Vincent. I wish you a nice day, and I see you in the next video. Bye-bye.